Anchiria chie egeikaro asto konyara kwa togo sanga mangi ane mono kurigereria ya nyara kwa kwana kiwa kingi makururi tukolia Jumatatu wikali tukolia lero na ane mono sensemo ya gesiasa na byonse biri konyara kwa bi kurigereria gose bi konyara kwa bi gokoreka sense ya Kenya ne tukolia lero toko bangirete amange kigima toko chikonyara kwa toko kwaniro monjo murigereria ekiama kia chupirinki emukie getambokero kigendete koreta ebirengereri a ko takunse ebirengereri a kurase ababwatani bagesiasa nabo igo omwancho murigererio gosira kwa Raila Odinga pa donko gante gukwanirwa senchira ya mugose ase yende gojitero kumanyanga ase ensemo ya agusi ningi kyanya kabage gukwaneka igoro yo gosira kwa Raila Amolo Odinga nabo igo mwancho murigererio protest serikali enene yo bugamo elio mosketinet Mohamed atatenga serikali ya mapana na marefu na erone bwata ya mwancho murigererio nabo igo gashagwa na erona bolinga ki nkeke jemwangete kero mwete Raila abantu basomete bamaite kibakora zachinde erarenga abantu baetu mbabwana tikotoka lakini ngo ndigire tunya kwana ronsi nabo mwancho murigera ngorigera tole omugiro obwa borokia be Universal Lecturers oyunkolengi oikire omutienyo kabiro gochikoera kuronya to gochaka abana be university skobale chirekchare bagataba ngamba tageti ko batati ko yana kwa serikali ribaga nabo muwasiri migoso gamba na nanya kabaga ko bwato kengwana yana kotaba ngaki mbaga ndata chingwana kwana kinga omogiro yungo janara ko kwera lituko liarero buna abotambe samiyenda tanya kubara sege ikaro unless iga kubara gwikata rasengia kuburira ina defense yako likali design n'abatuleti tuamaje kupanga ngobarale mugenito Dennis Orioki Dennis yaro mugeni ase studio rakitiro mugeni asa mangana yo burali tokotaba tumetinga ntonya kumuruka mwana habari mkongwe Dennis karibu
Biamono kigogo
tokwani bono kwani murigererie nande onyara kabago ko toigorere sekerengererie kamugosebere iga ikoro kendi ganse kerigora kwandika in less than a minute
biamono arono toto nyingiri ralio kumete chire nkuma korwa
nguma na wangu chitiraika
bono lende igo no ole sabali yoko
nguma
biamono asengencho yagasiene ngiemo kora botambe nda iga gatembe tumerana gaikara turagamba biamono aso mwaliko botambe buna togoteba tigato julisha abantu baito toba ujumbe kikagenderete sikalia kitoko magical predict kerabe go chimotu rero ne abantu baito mbara informed moving forward the society that is informed igere buya because that is the empowerment toko babo tambe biamono
sam miyenda karibu na ande sege karo
biamono sana gwateba nga nanya kubura ndanya kubura
ande
irube na apologist ma digo se ngwata chinde ryo mugambio barore nol biamono sana asengenche aba tegere beri tukuria lera na sesemuri na aba tegere na barigerere because igo tore by the way CTV ne radio igo na bariganira kegima egartunya ko batokurigerera nga na ria gendrete asensemo yegi karogo sari yagendete ase enseito ya Kenya
no mwancho murigira na sam yenda si ati ekiro goteba nigo tore ase ensemo ye radio Getembe TV na bugas yani ye TV Getembe TV na buigo ensemo ye radio Getembe FM 102.7 igo ato olio tagete kurara na bokurara ne radio ensemo olio tagete goikaransa sitingiro mukorigereria radio kurigereria TV na bokorigereria pade geikaro noli obwate simu yawe ase ensemo ya YouTube no tore ayemo ase yemo Getembe TV na boiga ensemo ya Facebook no tore ayemo ase yemo igatumine tinga ekerengera kia na bokunya goko bago kebeka abo ndetuna kabatogo sanga akorengana na ali tokunya kabatogo sanga hali tukolia lero gweturuka tsoma chi ujumbe chiao tokonyora chinga kitu nya kabatokoligera linga ningikegendrete esto gochaka mu mwancho muligereri amatuka makaitire nigo omo waziri omukoro omoske Fred Matiang'i nya tukabaga kororekana nga orokiri iganga yayo kurigikero kyobura bwense asabo shole bonna mwaka gwechiri bubere na 2025 kolende gekiranga ebyama bigachaka kumusanga inza chinde mbitagete anyara kabaga gosoa chisa igachiabo guseka kubwate guseka gwatsoa gwetera se byama ebyo ikamo kyabone kyama kya UPA kurwa soro ngoro gusike kurana n'umugafana gwe county ya Nyamira omosike amosike mu myaribo nabo igo nebyama binde binge kolende ase amatukanda makaitire ikyama gya chubirikanya kabage gutware gikarekerene asikia takaba gikomwarigani muske Dr. Fred Matiang'i abu amanga kanya kabaga kurigerirwa gwetera amo no kwarigani guko kurende amatuka makaitire bona makesaidi nigo ikiamekia Jubilee Kenya takaba agikumochora omo wasiro yo mukoro muske Dr. Fred Matiang'i buna omurai gosoma konyi bumurai omone wike ibukiamekio gose deputy party leader bwikiamekia Jubilee talia yuka paka machora na gotebanga nere ugochikoba omokwaneri bwikiamekia Jubilee ase obomo bwabali bakwamiriria serikali na taria yuka bagatebanga nere ugochikurwanirira ekirogo kyobrai bwense wetira sikiamekio gia Jubilee sabacharo ne bumaka wechirubere na 2025 ngane unigo yararetigwe amo no murikyo monne bwikiama gia Jubilee omoske Jeremiah Kioni.
We, as NEC also, have appointed Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i as our deputy party leader going forward. And alongside that, we have also resolved that Dr. Matiang'i represents us at the United Opposition, and on top of that, we also received formally his application to be the presidential candidate or Jubilee presidential candidate, and the NEC approved, resolved that he now carries the flag of Jubilee Party as our presidential candidate. And even as he goes to the United Opposition, he goes there in that capacity.
Yojuno mo likyo ne bwikiama gya Jubilee omoske Jeremiah Kioni okoralia igoro yegetambugiro kiamekyo komochora omoske Dr. Fred Matiang'i muno yochikwerurukia ebendera yekiama gya Jubilee sobachore bana bwemwaka bwechirwe na 2025 kolende ase alionse nyatu kubaga kukwana kama kyabongelinga nigago chikobo mukwaneli korwa sensemo yobumo bwo kwamiriria serikali neka mukyabo kyanya kabage koligerirwa ase litukelingelinga ase lirubelia nyata kwali kurikureze kiamekyo wanya takabago tikoyo mabese bali bakwamiriria serikali omoske Rigathi Gachagua moneki amakia ya DCP za chinde timaitinga stoko cha credit tangani tutake na Sam deputy party leaders omoske Fred Matiang'i party leader ya Jubilee.
Yes.
Korwabu chipati leader chinenjiro ntuabwate party leader ya Jubilee kero ya chake to moske Dr. William Ruto na rengo mwanzilishi gosomo chake bwikiama gya Jubilee muna deputy party leader agaroro moske Chimiangwenyi agasororo korwabu ntachino yakabogo tomanyi igoro yobora bwikiama ekya nene muno ase abo deputy party leader muna boli.
Actually, korengana na Kioni buna tebete, I think sekiama gya Jubilee initially igogia chagete 20 I think ikiarenge ahead of 2017 elections na ligia chite because we had a Jubilee coalition at first lakini tukatua rege ndo tokurukanga bone Jubilee party mora yorengo Uhuru Kenyatta gabo deputy akaba nere William Ruto kuruabu kere serikali yako ora kagenda sazimio I think bakora changes nyingi kwa sababu William Ruto yorenge deputy party leader konyoruchire korosikia orosirikia makia UDA kurabuto atwarete by the deputy party leaders ya bange ahead of the 2022 elections ninyorete ntu awate our own mugaka kurukitutu ndo Chache North mugaka Chimiangwenyi yorenge deputy party leader oteneta mangana strategy ntu abwate oyo ndore kuruku Kinoti Gatobu babo Naomi Shaban the MP from Taveta lakini she failed, and then we also had Peter Musitet winande bado or retained that part. And then muna changes chanya tukoba chiko eneki because Jubilee after they had the NDC the other time yoko eneki ngarende bado Uhuru Kenyatta nero renge the party leader out of the thingamba wate kina in court kia rekote banga babo Sabina Chege hawa kanini kega mbata kete na we ko hijack ko soko ekiama kirigia Jubilee lakini bono ekerutu anyore the new face of Jubilee whereby we have under the leadership now of Uhuru Kenyatta who is now confirmed as the party leader to anyore through the communication yuma secretary general some days back ninja na koreto mugano yega to anyore bono Fred Matiang'i obera among the 5 the four
party
leaders but bono toro chinga kiro muntu na ile role buna bono ntubwate Beatrice Gambo oyo beteka ko replace Jimmy Angwenyi oyo uteneta mangana strategy bate Kados Mwiruri oyo uteneta mangana operations tukatwara Peter Mositeto oyo utenete programs lakini Fred Matiang'i bono abone dashire tendiri kiri bono tumaitinga igare the deputy party leader whichkubolio kirego kibora iwense
natali gasia
is now the deputy of deputies again to bindeke. So those are some of the changes chene ki wasense meri kiama gya Jubilee na maminchana abange omate incharanira banta bange kose korengana ne sheria yebyame binge tumaze usene sheria gose ne narrow to an history that umuntu bwente ko boli chikura. That was the argument yabanta bange igabwente ko be party leader not a deputy party leader but to frustration or the to surprising to many yaberenga bono Fred Matiang'i ekiama gya Jubilee kya mwendo siri ko boli obora ibense na kumutoma sense ya opposition but as a deputy party leader. So the history was not faithful on the party of Jubilee.
And then is really get of state commendation amangana kwa yabwatiri sana na ndima tenga asense ya gesiasa manja bantu bale bakuri siasa na yo mogo bakurangira siasa na maji kwa akoroga rusiasa imama mako sukari
biamono Sam biamono Aaron asengencho ya contribution yeyu obo maana mbolinga a position yobo flag bearer you superseded these other positions actually you itself qualifies you by default or automatically cover a party leader in a shadowy way Matiang'i is the party leader but politically speaking echame linebwata roots chiaya nebwata sekuru abuna Jubilee and then to the strength chiaya chinguru ebwate nende bantu banyebwate and all those people awanyebwate nkibabwate in terms of numbers chikura chiko chakoleta a flag bearer echemotu a compete politically speaking Matiang'i tare kobe party leader kozi yare kobe party leader tuwale konye regionalize kozi tuwale konye localize nabenga ngogolere party wana lende ya arura sekorwa because if you move it korwa mulima onyareta ebilima
hills usi hills
onyareta hills hills cheitogu obotunu boitogusi konuli tunwa bocho agatunwa na bakonya bakombwa abere so lende the weight it deserves ekaromonda konyenyora ige kogenderanga mbuyere lakini ko neutralize chamel yatonyereta up to the level nga bono Matiang'i onyewa abande with their narrow view of things abakolike ringa egente ke Matiang'i airwe iga kiamewa but truth be told Uhuru Kobalianga ne party leader is a strategic move. One abantu bamu abombaroche nga bade Uhuru with the numbers mwaralira matanga Raila Odinga numbers ikorokananga nchiro Kenya ngimagya korokananga ya nyore ya pikiru with a reception ya lengengi mood ya kabengia omaye yo monto omwana siasa nga oyoko iriri aterwa omorusior il be there gochimotuga gatwa magwaka chisabu cheto nga kichiko equally chinguruechi Uhuru abwate tigachibe sustained gaiga na Matiang'i chinguru abwa those two forces na bachikorosia chikura chikotokonya gochimotua but obo maana mbolinga abantu baito these areas bate bigunga bono mate bali mutaigo support Matiang'i this is an opportunity tabange chama liteka mokonya teko moirand but things have happened no enkoru kanu nje ireto borai na Jomo Kenyatta egaena nuwa na I mean moi na era kaira koruabo ebintombere bya beto echama ende gaje korokwa National Rainbow Coalition na ere kaira egaro ya irete over time ebyama byabere bigocha bikogenda but truth be told echama ebwata numbers chiko ligere lyo mulima nebwata chance jogo survive mzee Jomo Kenyatta igabwata kanu Moi orenge interested in winning the favor y'abantu bo mulima he still went to the ballot ne chama ekoroku kanu originally kanu yale korokananga ne ya Jomo Kenyatta y'abantu bo mulima ekaro ya tiwa moya akanyebwata akare ya associate na era ngabono rende chikura chirio mulima nchi genda chyo bado nchiro bado kanunchiro then Kibaki gagocha na naki ya coalition 2002 bado no monto bo mulima numbers rinchi arengo go back to Uhuru ekarago so na TNA Jubilee akairo borai bado no monto bo mulima numbers nchiro without any big deal then Ruto had to craft a strategy ekorokananga neta edeko outwit chikura chia Jubilee kose TNA Jubilee chia lengo omulima agacha ne chama ya mapema akamanya gosoka n'abantu ko Jubilee akababekali still Jubilee ja remained with some votes good votes yakaleta bajumbe Raila got close to 1 million so never 1 million yeyu is something we are looking forward to rather than going there utamanyetinga gose no buate gostobwati so moving forward Jubilee still nebuate what we call a political cloud yentongera ali toligeretinga bado numbers nchiro nende chikoba bado ngero egero bado ngero nende ke koba chikoba cham started buye kabisa political goodwill in era around those numbers are still there we can even double or triple those numbers however still Rigiji wa Munyoro is also struggling because na amanyetenga chikura chira ne cyo mulima ojire ne chama yego DCP quickly ataka chiura Ruto chiri abugata lakini tararokana okorusia chikura cha Jubilee asechiri hence the need koseli yogieli abugata ngabono mayeteka anda urarosie village party all the other parties intobwate byama byeito gusiga ega intobwata abantu bale party leaders magara nale party leader kiamagete ataji kenga nale party leader kiamagete Manson Oyongo nale party leader kiamagete inkie kikiamoiro bolio president yoiri izai time to anza kuligerelinga echame yoko tokole party leader yawe kenyoro maiga nkiera gokonye
talinga ko bugata kagalika ona no ise
na kwabere party leader I mean ebenga that is the direction toko bwaji angakero monto bona bako pe party leader ekiamagia abe
on the same samunyo motracha ntwaroche I think kartwalenge ko sukange ko soange na obachole bwa 2022 antwaroche nga emekutano ya kolo ya babara ibebiama party leaders boka ibona ina ko yuto kanyole babo Gideon Moi Kalonzo Musyoka so they will get a chance why Kalonzo ze meeting elemuna abarai lakini mona karoto question ko rusiko ga entwengo nyamonto gushore gintu kabanywe question twenge to bolinga eso mukutano yonye ko ko bwate goodwill ko se ko bwate talibirengera bibo bwate ngekara umusikiru tatali gotoko twate bonga Ruto tali party leader yekiama so Matiang'o we deputy party leader yekiama in case umukutano urangeri ngabona party leaders bakorangeriwa so that's the meaning a
strategy nero ko ligichikura yo mintaro number 1 ndobwa abantu karo ba apire in a political forum chances are chikuranjire jira atamegorwa and this is a strategy omonda watengo ko support inde lakini to jana nyalewe are you interested in getting those votes what do you do you call your people abalende behind the scenes ba ko tagunga to jana nyalewe kwa barangere kwa batavinga chikuleji ultimately into to kobwa lakini omonto ntebiri ango to are support you have nothing to lose kotagando mukutano nje have a lot to gain because you're also part of my team ekara toko bwegenteke ndokonya ke gochimoto that is ekorogunga political boardroom wars chiko behind the scenes lakini yobo maana mbolinga every vote counts nyolenga ototo na ngo iro mukutano chikuleji ndusi ngokotika maega there are people even in their own background in their own political bedrocks ekeroko gendo rutababwati you lose some votes
okubolunga ngayikwamoira
ngayikwamoira so abantu baachire nobo kingdom bwabo you know chi fiefdom get ngana anje nimbwate gento get some have gone with the political parties some have gone with the titles
abantu bazokudandire chikoti
party leader deputy a kingpin abande be talkers you can see them times without number abantu abango ikabare towards chikura baanza kosoka no engusi no rojo bo kingpin you know ntoligerete abantu bataire ko ba kingpin so strategically speaking it is a good move ogota yabantu bandenga no the best we can do ayakara akiri behind the scenes tigange andanya wali chikulechi it happens abantu mbale kwale ko igwalinga ntobwate abantu kobeka motu ali front line abande bacha line B line ya kabere ya gatatu kujimaga na abande bari batayi wapi api baro mukutano bategereta none gari is a strategy then nonye political maneuvering kogendera people will decide nga asegete nyare batakwana asegete nyare bakwana none garo go dispense propaganda abantu barogo tumeka buna gusia ntobwata abantu ako support majiangi lakini ago itie message gete erengera gete ago itie omuntu narora aramo omuntu bantu batwara bokongo omuntu narora aramo omuntu ole kiongozi abantu batwara bokongo na
Sam ngiora nyago comment sa Johnson ko ya
on the issue
kwata na igual corto mugano yu
one mate litanga ni kerona ko comment I really give the structure of Jubilee and the deputies one tikanangicha politically and I interpret the Chikura Chomulima you know for anybody in Kenya and it's kinegen to get the keronga anybody who wants to be the president here and say to go ikonyo favor yomulima in fact you can tell even these presidents abange babeire uchakire Jomo Kenyatta babo Daniel Moi at some point you're competing n'abantu kuri mulima but because of some differences ekagera maybe akaira chikura bono when you look at una maana chikura cha was it in 92 when we had Mwai Kibaki and Matiba wesa kuburuka ni chikura chiriyo nyende chibaya seri bo alimo you can tell nga moitari chakweta lakini much as onye tubwa support yo mulima igo means nga no bwata abantu gete bago support from that place at least your political agenda kwa nyoranga yakiranire look at 2002 Mugaka Kibaki na bwata the majority then come to still 207 ba mangana beta una tabete lakini still no muntu bo mulima igo na nyorete and other chikura chia 2013 all come mulimo veiro lakini bono maiterigade gashagwa kera tomete matianga do remember kera bwate a conversation in one of the local radios igata bete matianga igototete koranga number 1 inkia chira na kyo on the table and yeah it's true politics in numbers arogo ikotu ara numbers uma koraki umanya go cha seme segera bali ringa what do you have from your place so kerate abanga gendanka oli ekiama you know politics is local and we agree on that lakini naro kera motivating agenda oli ekiama you see there's a way umuntu winning is also a strategy unabono let me tell you if for me on my own side me personally as Sam yenda matiang maybe are go chaga gali ke kiama totebe go sene kiama korugusiga iga then we could have localized like this a tribal guy igo yare ko bunanya cha moment that kwa boli chikure 2002 but asikwanyora bajumbe boka ngai gusiuka we could have a party from Gusiga iko say UPA go another one anyone we have a lot of parties in Gusiga we have a lot of parties lakini at the end of the day kero matianyo yako boli chikura ya ngobeire kusioka you are now becoming just a tribal kingpin lakini isiko ga you need numbers ye chiko tuara wetra so tuara bajumbe are you seeing the point we go to abajumbe abakurusikuru say the mountain how do you do that is why today we have ngamatiangi tigache na Jubilee still the face of Uhuru Kenyatta tigarakobo ekere we have now something that we can convince our brothers from the mountain inga into igotramo and I can tell you Jubilee is a national party nebwata abajumbe kurutavetari nebwata nebwata aba governor apart from the mountain still Jubilee nebwata even in Nakuru and other places nebwata abajumbe so it gives that face of nationality
actually Aaron truth be told behind the scenes there were discussions inga what if toko amatiangi obo party leader what will happen people from the mountain had a feeling inga chama yeto ya hachiri. What is our stake? Biashara kitobu hata anonye chama ya hachiri. Including some critical positions such as SG because among the positions yaba abantu baito mwanya getinge baleko ruwana alibatagete was SG position for simple reason ngakiba gocha kanyo hachi ticket baba bajumbe
chi certificate
in the event ye kigetabwa togetu some of them na ubare behind the scenes ba goruta magena ngamanyete
Tatai buja. Tobeke borongi.
saliringa kiwana bikogana so na barobu from the mountain bage considered entong keyo to go to dai go kwana ge kwanire behind the scenes ba kwana denga
Sama karogen tendo jenga kwenye tora kura point yeyu. Karogen rete bado tuwa botoro bote getega rogota banga. Egati yabarai ba kiamagia chupiri bata kuboli ngabono chupiri na kibwenda kwa kiama kiomo gusi okoba matiangere kiago chikotumeka. Igo ni in one way or the other kiaro kadanga which cover kere cover a threat which is bia maybe ndebire gusimna ya UPA giabe kebia KNC bia PDB bia mabia gusi already we are very threatened in one way or the other yakora abangu chwali kwe migere batanga ki ntu abwate ntu banga 3 piece rijeto gakire mo president mo chumbe no mo kansela yaro ko 3 piece wana ne 6 piece koroko mbale bagote ko yeti ko bisa magaba ya matenga batanga ntu 3 piece effect ya almost ke Fred Matiang'i also asikia magia Jubilee officially na kwa deputy president na kigo chukua affect bono siasa chia gusiana mona samanga ni byama.
So apart from nga ndobwata jibase sia chitokorokanga chi political parties chi kobogoli abantu chia baira muntu achieve whatever he wants to achieve politically. Let's not forget that these parties and those are businesses by the way. Kwa sababu at the end of the day UDM ngo nyorere pesa, ODM ngo nyorere pesa. So abantu abange igo bakorose a political party bitinga ngo boli baro president abuetabu ngo takara to representation such that omuga olimwa chibesa chigocha korwa gocha sebyama nera kore kinera nyore. And bono also ntagetin kolere bwango bange garanso asiri boli kwamboli bono regiji omaetege ento atari we associated mona na Jubilee ne sengenjunga igata ko just the only person gose kyama gya DCP na kikebwato maarufu korwalia asensema ya the mountain. That is why normally okonyoranga ago disown Matiang'i tari ago disown Matiang'i personally is disowning Jubilee party eyo ko led by President Uhuru Kenyatta. So is fighting Jubilee teri direct war ko chia somos ko Uhuru Kenyatta but igago tumeka Matiang'i because ne rebono go chikoba fronted as the flag bearer we kiama kia Jubilee. So meaning that ere eshida bwatene ringa ownership nga igatakete DCP ebe the only popular party in the mountain. That is why he disowns Dr. Fred Matiang'i lakini nabarabo ko ranga mba iranereti era sanare ba murusiti ase esabu yabo trabari watura marieta trabari tamangana united opposition borongo chetu esiri swari kwamboli gro ya the effect ya koreta maita abantu abange mbare balengere tianda kenga if Matiang'i has a party from Gusii at least they could have even got an automatic ticket which could go snowball because bone kiame kingo chigotwara kire a lot of leadership could Gusii lakini bono when you are going to Jubilee it's an already made party abantu mbare ko Gusii gaiga balenge party members gobono mate koikanga neba Matiang'i oro they still have a voice into kiame kana to aberde buna bono let me give you an example buna bono tebe Moske Richard Nyakatongi he has been a Jubilee a long time Jubilee member bono rere umuntu naro kurunya ribali if Fred Matiang'i boli yange chikura achene kiame kinga umuntu naro le konyoranya ribali ticket ngani tutuwa chakire kiame ke but maybe Moske Tongi but now Tongi already in power igobono era igagocha kwariga ni abande bono nerore at a receiving point nga ni bono mwacha ekiame kine gitu igonga nabwate hapa hand and alternatively go say another way ebya mebinde bono ngochikorokana bire ko balesa kwa sababu truth be told actually
ekiama ge presidential candidate debate go changa ki mutahete mbomorai nyahiri nkurusi abajumbe kwa abajumbe ngurusi within the same party yere Jubilee. So abantu abande go say ebya mebye bikebuna bono let me give an example of UPA bono kiabera segete to a point like survival chances inabaki kama UPA na kikere egekorunga in an awkward position yakora na kia position as a ref kelinga na kia lenge close to Moske Matiang'i
survival bono yere kind of kiabnyo set by Kiembe kwa sababu ngeriko chigotwara okukwana kuli Matiang'i mono ngekiame maybe ne gia Fred Matiang'i so abantu mbale ebyama mbere biko chigo sink simply because almost ke Fred Matiang'i otumikire Jubilee. Yes.
Then is the losers and winners out of these casualties. The worst hit is DCP. followed by
UPA.
among others, including those other parties. But
the biggest losers.
The biggest losers is DCP from the mountain, and of course, Korugaiga, Tobuate Chame Korugunga UPA. It's no secret. Konyagianzer we package for Obacha, or Chichikure Chichigocha. And you could, all indications were clear. It was all geared towards that direction. I was a party leader. His Excellency Amos Nyaribo Gabanga Ntunto Iguana in go fielding ko your candidate and onsi gusia se catchment ye to bugate terende buna UPA and then I ba changing gara go piki chesa buni bono it is better say ngamba asibeti we
walijiosha
ama waliosha
Mosho moja
yote aigo aso gwenge siasa ya beire buna HSK muna bago jibata bago chiasa HSK mboma tinga every move teyo gendonge yo montako move kere there is no stupid move in chess muna bago tanga as a chess no mia maiso igo nguste gwende there is no stupid move kere move ne bugate
you must have carefully thought about it then you made a move
toko taboke go move muna ora move binda binga go manchu muligererie negenta kama kerigere kigima ana ande abange banyako bago tabanga tachinde nigo omo raibu kya ya chopiri aranya ko bagago chikorigi enjira yo gwe face out kurusiasa kanyanga litanga ne tokurusi matiange kuruga igesari ryo kego musungure kurwa sata nyakoba totabe in a party position leadership position umarede ga gwe party leader ponenge gano orientation ba go koleru gore se over deputy party leader matuko gatanga moro chonyal na deputy party leader ngiro chikira musinyego chigora maybe that is what
and actually to remind you Toto he has admitted that he is a party that he has served long nande
as a technocrat
yes as a technocrat and when you look at him somehow it doesn't look political, but no more real. And there's somewhere at everything. It's not about the political party. It's all about leadership. On the age party political, we do value democracy, and Raila Odinga may so rest in peace, the right honorable. Now fighting for multi-partyism.
But the sense to menyete wana iga tokunya wa separate politics
and parties.
Political parties.
Yeah, political parties you cannot. But
again, the D in democracy, you're silent. Some other things we happen as democracy. There is even negotiated democracy behind the scenes. Truth be told, democratically, we know the processes whichever democratically democratically, otherwise, this is a boardroom arrangement, which is good. Angaba Antomba Tevananjenko president, I'm interested, aspirant, up to the level of a candidate, by parties will agree arrangement kia koganda chikura chia among others. But kerende it is negotiated democracy.
Na tugutigana nayo gendongere kamo kianya liteko bagekaba se abantu mpagera tukumurira nyagosira Raila Amolo Odinga abantu baraeba nande in 100 years abantu bali chikweba gosira kwa Raila Amolo Odinga na bango chigwale kumunyura asinchira gosinsemo wose chinjira otoweke se nchira yobwenge na umukonyi bomo rai bwiki amagia udi musike Paul Simbarati yoro mugafana bwe county ya Kisii nere na nyaraka baga ko muki getambukero gyo kotabanga ko munyura Raila Amolo Odinga akaroka tinya gitali ibere nyagitali ekoro nyagitali yakyogo level 4 modern maternity newborn wing akajiroka Raila Amolo mother and child wing nyagitali ya Ibacho akanyaroka Raila Amolo Odinga mother and child hospital egantekega ntachinde mbale bakerete ngambuya kyale abandi bale bakerete nga nkyale ngebuya munabona ejine chinkwana chikobwatire chinkwana chimwe musiyebwe wodi ya Kyogoro omoske Walter Mochache oyu ntachinda korekana ngatago kirine gatambukire kyo kiaye omoske Paul Simbarati koroka enyagitali ya Kyogoro Raila Odinga mother and child wing munorobotiru kose muna chinkwana chichigo cha Sembeo
suggestion yandana tentareba egaratwa cha umugaba na chagari Kyogoro ko igore nyagitari igatebe nyagitari ya Kyogoro ero ku Raila Amolo Odinga inchenoyo mobo na kingo kwana inchenoyo mobo na ruwa maoni montegera bananchi ncheo na ruwa maoni ingateba ntubwate babanyanti kama iyoro ntubwate umugako nyamao tubwate Simeon Nyachae baba nyamwe babo manka ngateba one of them arokwe nyagitari area State House egende kyo kiagarire ngare goitwa ngana ngete kogenda State House inu na bari moto chorete na into
Rigereri kwa igure ujo no mwamusibe wadi ya Kiogoro musike Walter Muchache agotabanga enyagitari ya Kiogoro tuambeka specifically kwa enyagitari werese wadi yae na ere nigagosoma wetania ukuruko kwenyagitari atabirenga nigakare goitwa kwa ya State House kuri ndege ntakana twari kukwana nikenga okumonyera Raila Amolo Odinga aige nataka tukwane ngende tukirigereri briefly tutake na Dennis tima kingiora nyaga gukwana igoro ya
I mean I'm not so sure because even to the county bill because an act you can name streets to county naming or something streets because it's a law. It is not something you go in the street. You
road.
Yes, I mean there are procedures to followed at the county level. Of course, it is allowed to name. And then, of course, it begins with a proposal, I believe. Then you consult the family. Because it's something that is going to affect abantu baito, cutting across, you don't go naming in your into referendum and center, then there are limitations. So a proposal we get in the assembly, ever discussed, again, the normal stages, you know, you approve something. Consultation we ought to have again to public participation. Specifically abananchi ba Kiogoro batebenga kibatagete ngakia kwa named, and then of course if there are other proposals, you know, nabako teboda da name guiga unabaona mu MC atebire a proposal ya arenge nyandi kama yoro abe one of the words here named here and onekyo torojire ndi are issue. It's a conflict now between another one. So no mon tobuna Raila Amolo Odinga are these service here waited to the country and they are very sounding yes, but unfortunately because of a lack of clear consultation, and I think the governor was ill-advised. I think maybe he was carried by emotions or something else. He went wild naming hospitals left, right and center. He should be called out
without due process.
Without due process, this is wrong, it's unprocedural. He must be told
now considering
but I have no problem. I have no problem Raila Koba named after something.
Enyagitari ibacho na yama yabe rokire igo lakini kuruga igambara kwanire igatunda nyoraro. I'm not privy na information yansi kuri enyagitari iga etwa kwanire iga ya Kiogoro Koba umwe MCA bwegodi ya Kiogoro oyura mukoli mirimo bwe county ya Kisii oyure authorities ya county ya Kisii onyerega go contest. So naboto kolega ebimonyo ime ebinyoro ime nki abangena bakali gukwana nki
o mande no morali Aaron. I mean we should be procedural at the level of governor. I know he has a legal advisor than other people about the county attorney among others. Now about committees to come advice. Now about MCAs very close in there. They are letting him down. If it is not himself letting himself down, but there is a team that ought to have advised him. And I want to believe, moving forward, a team guide procedures, teacher, maybe there could be something bigger so that abananchi ba Kisii County bada named after Raila Odinga, but mbara one opportunity. There could be a number of things, streets, buildings, you know, among others. But if you decide to do again to public, Governor Simba Nabuata, one of the buildings in town, maybe Akoroka Simba flats, he could have changed it because it is his personal thing. Raila Odinga flat. So anything individual, but anything public, it must go. It must follow due process.
Na samu ya siyo kama inese issue eiga na inyoranga emiaka ngagete bere wose tato ya yalite tingo inyora byanga nerenga ya renge maybe dance na bagutonyoli egetikia gusi stadium nkia batabatanga kiabere named I think Simon ya stadium mando atajaro guresi nyanti kama Euro stadium lakini baona kapade kama gusi national stadium. Are we expecting the same on the Nyagitari Moske Simbarati Agwarogete?
So, you know, I think I'm talking about my brother, maybe Governor Simba was overwhelmed by emotions out of Yogosira Kumga Korea Raila Odinga. nende rende buna momanyete for me sometimes I look at it as a way ataketoko on the yani igate to korok that closeness maybe abwate no mugako Raila Odinga and also want to supporting ebinto mbire when it's on the publicly lazima gebwatie procedure tarigento kuboka koruma from Noya otabanga I'm the governor of Kisii County and I want to name a team maybe Raila Odinga Stadium or whatever ebiti ne binge by the way biaro kirwe I think Kenya Dragon akiro kinga wetu Musa Nyandusi I think and all those and others maybe Simba Arati, a governor, His Excellency, was just trying to give an opinion whether again they can keep it. But he needed to look at the way in a legal way because say ngaki procedure according to the law what it says because consultation went correct because even the MC arguing like inga nahintuntobwate abanyankongo went ko named and his argument is right when you just look at the way agokwana he is right
tiga maybe to kebeke iganga umugavana ne gose is one step yo collective rengera libya bantu because I think baka kugira bana nya kitali yotera change gweliku Raila Odinga matam child
maybe no opinion that's why I say maybe
na kiogoro ne yena betikata na ibacho maybe this is the first step yo kuligia rengera libya public participation ngai reaction ya ndo kigocha then maybe they tata benga concession sigocha ne iganga this is what we are going
so
to
I
do.
think if it is that we have a law ebweneta ko rigiri wanga ngaki marieta wento ko renamed and other things so meaning that if he's giving an opinion, then he knows the ways agocha, maybe through the public, the county assembly.
There are procedures. I think county emblems and something. No, at the national level, they are there. This was 2021 when Mzee Nyachae passed on. I think Uhuru came at the Gusii Stadium, and he suggested because there was agitation to have the stadium renamed after Nyandikama Yoro. But Uhuru directed that Nyanturago becomes now the Stadium Academy, which should be renamed Nyandikama Yoro Sports Academy Stadium or something. But this one, Gusii Stadium,
Simeon Nyachae Stadium,
and it had there was a budget close to 100 million plus to be to give it a facelift, to give it a facelift, so that after the facelift now, because you must do something to it, so that then it carries the owner. Otherwise, you can go ahead and get a playground. Okay. Simeon Nyachae Stadium. So, Boikaki undergo some facelift, I think, which it hasn't undergone. But the time go Chakoge and a facelift here, you get to that level one about go meet that status. It happened in sometimes in was it 2010, 2011? Nyayo Stadium was renamed Safaricom, something. And Safaricom had to do something to it for it to be called, but they insisted it has to be Nyayo Safaricom Stadium. You know, Nyayo had to remain for purposes of, you know, that name to remain historical purposes, among other things. And then it had a duration, you know, after 5 years, after 10 years. Sponsored. Those names. So there is a procedure, there is a clear way, Assembly, National Assembly, equally at the county level, the procedures are followed. Otherwise, some resources agenda to west karatoko sukume binto tutaikomanya
Kwa yechinzo mwanju muri toko genda twandese gitambukiro kende serikali ya Broad-Based ya kendereire gukwanirwa anonye magega yogosira kwa Raila Odinga anonye konyatarasira bado ngukwanirwa ya renge nebwatabarwanirira baye nebwatabarwanie segi baye nebwatabarba kujirwanie amonsi kolende kwabwatakana amo na obochoria boke bogenderete kuruberigwa gosibochi kokoreka omotienyi oyo igachi tariki 22 nigo chikambeni chiabwatete inse gosibwatete insa chinsemo awo na egento Kenya ko bagekwerera bagere mongeringa ki abanke bachakira kumusa ne tokonyara kokora siasa sabone gutara kwana yore Broad-Based na chikobwatine chingwana choma konje bo murai wense omo ske professor hapra mkidure kendiki chinga kyalenge ime ya Kasipul ase ebunge ya Homa Bay wose county ya Homa Bay ebunge ya Kasipul ase chikambe chikarete echokolio mochumbo gochkwera libagalia ye omoske Sir Charles Ong'ondo Gwere ase anyata kabaga goteba nganta chinde omurwaniririo yore mumurao yego Simosinto Charles Gwere kurunga Boyd Were ni garu murwaniri bwe serikali wetira wasomure murwaniri bwe serikali ya broad-based tego muna chingwane chichanya kabachikobekwa na mokwanyo murai bwenze.
Tumesikizana mahali kuna candidate wa chama ambacho ni chama cha broad-based, sisi zote tunaunga pale, tuna support huyo candidate kama candidate wa broad-based. Niseme nisiseme, niseme nisiseme, niseme nisiseme, niseme nisiseme, Yodhuru Auntie, kwa heshima, kwa heshima, kwa heshima ya ule mkataba ambao uliwekwa baina ya Rais William Ruto na Mheshimiwa Raila Odinga kushikanisha UDA na mambo ya kushikanisha UDA kwa broad-based pamoja na ODM. Sasa tuko timu moja. Candidate wa ODM hapa Kasipul ndio candidate wetu sisi zote. Sijui kama tumeelewana jameni. Sijui kama tunaelewana. Kwa hivyo hapa mtu asikuje hapa kuwadanganya. Mtu asikuje hapa kuwadanganya. Ate yeye ni wa broad-based lakini
chine chingwana chia Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki omukonyi b'omurai bwense ore gukwana chinza mucheka sport kolende na nyara takabaga kweranirwa amo no mulikyo munene bw'ekyamagia ODM omo senata bwe county ya Nairobi omoske Edwin Sifuna yende gotaba ng'agento gekoro ku broad-based geyo asemangana siasa as anene mona sobo chori bole mutu yuna mangana nsa chinde Professor Kithure Kindiki oka barwe bwatumurwanire kurunga ODM.
Ile tunaweza kukubaliana yote ni ile alituambia sisi sote tukiwa wazi mbele ya umma. Baba alisema nini? Alisema tunadhifishe chama chetu kwa ajili ya uchaguzi wa mwaka 2027 tuweze kutoa na sisi candidate wa kuchaguliwa mwaka 2027. Hiki chama mimi ninavyowajua nyinyi, ninavyowajua nguvu zenu. Nimewaona bana. Nimewaona nyinyi mkipigana hapa wakati wa uchaguzi ndogo kule Malindi. Mheshimiwa Party Leader, ilikuwa ni fujo, lakini nyinyi ninavyowajua hakuna jambo ambalo tunaweza wekwa mbele yetu ati tushinde. Mimi najua tukiamua leo hii ya kwamba tunamsimamisha party leader wetu huyu 2027 watu wanaenda nyumbani. Tukiamua tunasimamisha huyu Abdul Swamad, tukiamua tunasimamisha huyu Abdul Swamad ama deputy party leaders wale wengine wote, tutashinda huo uchaguzi. Mukisema SG wenu wasimame kura 2027, hiyo uchaguzi tunashinda tena mapema. So nasikia kuna watu wanazunguka wakisema ati ni baba pekee alikuwa anaweza kuangusha wao kura. Kuna mjumbe hapa ametuambia mtoto wa Simba ni nini? Simba. Watashangaa sana. Jambo la pili, uhusiano tulioweka na serikali ya UDA. Mkataba huo baba mwenyewe aliwaambia mwenye kuandika ni nani? Mwenye kuandika ni nani? Sifuna, mimi huyu. Sasa wale ambao mlifanya fasaha katika shule, kuna mwandishi kwa mfano Chinua Achebe. Chinua Achebe ndio mwenye kuandika Things Fall Apart. Si mnajua? Wewe sasa kama mwenye kuandika huo mkataba, kama mwenye kuandika huo mkataba na ujua na uelewa, najua ulikuwa ni wa nini, najua unasema nini na ni kipi haisemi. Niliandika hapo ndani mimi mwenyewe nikasema, this agreement does not constitute a coalition agreement with UDA. Iko hapo, Ruto alisign, baba alisign. So wengine ambao wanazunguka, na kwa sababu baba alituambia we keep our identity. Mimi rangi yangu ni hii chungwa, symbol yangu ni chungwa, mnanielewa? We must keep that identity. Wengine wanatuambia ati by elections za November 2027 party leader ati kuna candidates wa broad-based. Broad-based si chama, na kama si chama haina candidates. Unajua nyinyi mmefanya
mwanjo murigereri Professor from Kithure Kindiki ni gatebanga amurwaniriri bwa kiama gyo ODM no yumurwari broad based na amurikyo yo Edwin Sifuna atabirenga broad based tari kiama. What are we communicating, guys?
Biamono. Who is enjoying this? Probably Omonyamato, president. The deeper the problem, chances are even the funeral ya Raila Odinga, there are people who gain, abandoned, lose out of it. I think what could have happened immediately Raila Odinga passed on or died. In my own understanding, na broad based ya kuwete ko say arrangement ya ayeret. Sifuna and the rest of the team, it should dawn on them it is a reality Raila taiyo. Assuming Raila taiyo and Raila na ruwete clear instructions inki ya wakorwa. Inki baga nyete badara abuno mukataba because the more bagonya kobo gonya wihakabale sike ya broad based. In my own opinion, they are getting late. They ought to have stopped the special arrangements.
They are one and the same.
So such that the way forward. But if they are still there, stuck up to 2027, we are here up to 2027. When? Because 2027 is December. 2027 August, you are meeting in December. August into Chikura. Does it mean these the ODM guys are still stuck here? In the 2027 year. Omukata banki ogoteba na ronyo someta ogoteba bagenda baka 2027 when I think the more they stay, the more they're inviting broad-based winners bakonya kosoa mono into them. You saw the deputy president akore campaign Kasipul. What that means, in two we are giving you support. When our time will come, na inu moto support. You not be surprised Komoro Siaya because here they have a by-election.
Yeah,
Ugunja, they have a Siaya County Ugunja. They have a by-election. They'll go there. Deputy president goes there. Deputy president, no mondo walk about president. So Kaharo, all the state machinery no area ground. It means no resources ingo jajire ground. Aba na inchi baro baganya de chama ODM where the resources bakole campaign bararokana. Kasipul logo range challenge nero with the Phil Baro Aroko the independent candidate o machiri ko changanye ground.
Otete
where otete simple. Where is Sifuna agonya kwa kama liyo wherever otete ka kokonywa broad based ke arorenge problem nera they are trying to get the whole chi sealed. Because the moment Kerogogie Korokunga ODM Kasipul Genda, broad-based will be accused. Actually, it's not ODM yoke. ODM as broad-based yon CP you have lost it. The same will apply in Ugunja and all other places.
In fact, the most highly contested by-election about Kasipul.
So the best they can do, in my own opinion, Tigababu Tore relationship with Bonoiga, Bansekocha the way forward. By the time Toika 2027 January abanda wakona abameliru ODM wakona ya meliru because Sifuna tali yare weko ranya kokuana kotete gente nkoboli wale wanaye na weko kuana about gente ka bantu bakanywa benefits because remember their ministers bako benefit out of this. They have resources, they have also other interests. Remember there are people like the people aspirants ODM where they feel like majority of the people followers Baba but will also go directly to ODM. So we kabataka ko Rwanda banyora these other voices chikorwe serikali chiba support. It will be tricky. So for me it is high time batame ko Rwanda batabenga to accord na broad based mukata batu aligete even ati nyomo ndo saineti na anje oyo mo jiro renge the party leader oyo na roro
there's a problem here mo chana no ronto manyana ngoligereria ya broadcast marriage ya broadcast enge abantu bamurende tawni karagonyerigereria basaya bamurende tawni oyo konya ogorire TV oyo nabwate radio oyo ogorire gatanda ona nabwate kabati bataba ninga tomenyamo oyo aretire kabati yaye oyo aretire gatanda kiaye oyo aretire kiango cha bana bachira moga ono muchando abiri buko bukene kana aki impali abantu muri koranga gagosoka ne kabati kanya maitele ya ndo manyanga na roje tenero because igende karangu kwa neke mo jumbe bwa lego songo yule mo nyakero bwa budget committee somewhere I think Atandi aro munyakorogo bwe committee
ya budget
ye budget eywe kora una serikali kati so broad based meaning a broad based ko butuka na mabona era gosoka kuresa abajumbe bange mbali chi committee aho kati so broad based arafu tocha wasiri aba wasiri batano warwete sasa nzame ODM bare aba wasiri broad based ko butuka vet ya bonere I think muchanda no ra
so tigangiro regento na kwanete there's a time twarenge karwa gande ngatenga onya bantu mbare bono iga in broad based bagende to gusaberaga kitogende gutigara broad based na bangwana bali aba minister
aba wasiri
atandi mna gwakwa you tell me William Ruto courtesy of Raila Odinga agatigi opia wandaye meremo yoko mujumbe akarusi mbadi oyo renge nominated MP akamoira serikali akarusia biza it can be like rende tutayabanga rende job araburende mbabu atagasra gina renge deputy party leader remember that babo paranya and then atandi onyore a budget allocation committee actually it belongs to the government the opposition is given PSC I think public accounts the PAC yarengo ko led mostly na I think I don't know Montanaro rengo ko run sana so you tell me abantu buna bali bago enjoy the benefits of the broad based they'll have to say like atiatogendre ko bero because egasi to ya bete affected courtesy of this broad based na ande tianda ko boli sifuna for the longest njena bugetenga maybe nko bare softer when baba tayo but now is even accelerating more
but I think Sam Sifuna is confusing the tanda mo ndo confusing ko bana ego taka kumwaka na ya motika statement yake ro kwa tega rabuja Sifuna is accepting nga no tura sasa serikali baka 2027 Sifuna nero yo mwenye no chitaga soma resolution ya kiamanga tuanjire no tole ase broadband mpaka 2027 inki yake ba gukora ase 20 serikali mpaka 2027
oh no my point is Sifuna kirongo tema ko interpret erega ko tebanga nginyori tekera achete no go sign during the MOU signing igate betenga igacha you gave clear instruction that igacha because the party dictates as at a level of Secretary General go yamo bidiaje because the party dictates but otherwise ngamanya ko bekanga anda kare ko tuara his opinion na batare gwantsira na broad based the same Sifuna nero to tebika ganga nero renge part of the signing nero ligeto mukata boyo are kwalao mpaka 2027 kwarere bono Sifuna when he comes clear and says that intuntubuga ati candidate ya broad based to ati candidate ya ODM maybe according to mukata baba bekete maybe there was no clause that was allowing chikura chigocha maybe you'll support. And when you look at the government, it is trying, this is an opportunity, an advantage to the government that in the name of, in fact, in the name of empowerment. It wasn't a campaign, it was a kumwakira. In the name of an empowerment, yokora empowerment, that's a chisa Chekasipul, ekanyare kananga bono, the same Kasipul bago chikokora magendra empowerment na wate by election. So that is why Kithure Kindiki is owning oyonere omwano mutangani o broad based. So the government has the right yare watabanga into tuachire omwano obonongo mo support tore. But the likes of Sifuna iko watabanga it is an ODM zone. So
generally speaking over my number the more they think broad based is a confusion ODM will get themselves confused more. One, Babugati candidate, go say aspirant, because he has mentioned several individuals. Tukijaribu huyu. By the time Babu answer kujaribu, okonyora ba nyoli.
Too late on time.
These other guys, you know, truth be told, UDA will get a lifeline, ekero environment friendly. And these guys are allowing up to 2027, never January. They are allowing these guys to make inroads, advance towards their zones, towards their political bedrooms. The moment you allow UDA, and being the government-led party, into your own political bedrock, chances are very high. They may not live there, but go empty-handed. They'll get something out of it. Then they'll be able to learn a lesson or two. By the time toko hit the ground inga nechikura to waka cha 2022 perhaps to amanyire nkai oba kongu bole monto ki aspirant ki oromo kongu ga can we pick and do what we want to do now that these guys are injured because in the Babugati presidential candidate babu had in mind unless I mean out of the automatic one Yokabera Odinga these guys but them kuebanga remember the opposition moina united opposition nero ne bange tengo nyakubarangeliere nganchu. So there is confusion. It is either you stay stuck with broad-based, more two-hour arrangements in a survival, or which could be the best option, you decide to move away immediately. More by 60-day ultimatum, more by come on. Guys, we agreed on 10-point agenda. In the next 60 days, you know, I'm going to achieve. Now, I'm going to excuse. Like another girlfriend, you go ultimatum. In the next 60 days, you know, I'm going to behave. I will part ways. So, by and we go to UDA, ultimatum. Aba Kenya, these guys are serious. We can meet those standards. Corruption, I mean, you know, Chiskuru, among other things, you meet all those. We quit. These guys will get an opportunity and united opposition go say what are their way forward.
And again,
on the same time, igoro ya structurally lichibundira toka na nekia mangira communicate kanya ngaki how did they come up with Oburu Odinga as the party leader ya ODM na yabane acting capacity.
Okay.
Ngaki ba mwekede structurally because aira kwa of leadership na ile sekiama yetumne kikocha kocha. That's a story for another day.
Lakini maybe ncheke ndonara kora mentarangeringa umaite the only thing I think ODM era tigara on broad based if they have been promised thing maybe mbabe umaite according to some of the leaders in the ODM gabaga tabanga either baro serikali ya 2027 kose babe part of the government. You see options for the interpretation of that statement.
But an answer is one. Actually, it is one. That is an answer. Those guys are in government.
Maybe what they are banking on. Maybe Babe deputy president. Maybe. That is what another option anyway. Either batini presidential candidate kuchukua serikali wose baro si baba go deputy president.
Ayo naranda mango mwalimu.
Yani commenter Aaron. If they were with a candidate Yogorogorela Amolo Odinga. Oboli Yoboraibo president 5 times. Tairete president. Kamba na baba tabuka candidate born 2025 in under 2 years ochichikura chinane but abenga baonongo form mara government. It must be a united opposition yara form a government. Otherwise they are joking around. They should either ship out or they stay in broad-based.
A discussion was chingwana chitaere ne cha broad-based cha ODM cha UDA ne cha serikali na boy go kwa ndego ya Raila Amolo Odinga na boy go William Samoei Ruto kule ntoko tikana nayo katika shagwa umosike katika shagwa omokonyi umaratense omokoro yule tuwa msika impeachment kwa katika shagwa na nyata kabaga kwa na ditukuli igoro statement yenye kwa karatali vedeliti ndiko kwa se ababwatani bage siasa anamono wali bacholire esanya to kabaga ko bolinga ine makara ira banta bajanjengie ke mwangete to igo chingwane chiae umosike rigatika shagwa.
As we mourn Raila Odinga, I must admit I admire two things about that old man, and I'm really very touched by his leadership. Look at the political party that he built called ODM, a strong political party that though he has never been elected president, he is able to get into every government and get what he wants because he has a strong political party. But most importantly, his political party, all the legislators are top-notch lawyers. These are the people who have protected Raila Odinga for 30 years. If you look at Raila's team, James Orengo, Otieno Kajwang, late, Omolo Atiende, Karoli Omondi, Peter Kaluma, Edwin Sifuna, Stewart Matiel, Catherine Muma, Mile Odhiambo, the bad girl, Beatrice Oyomo, Tom Ojieda, Okongo Mgeni, Mohamed Faki, Ochieng, and Babu Owino. Great minds. Great minds. Then nyinyi munanipatia Kawanjiko wa Matinga wa Makeki. Good people, my people. My people. Your leader is in trouble. He has no foot soldiers. You have given him to Geges.
Mwajumuliriri ndani sio kia ko nginyori ka magata tinga ekara ko barabaria nya tuka baga ko egwa tabaliti bwa munyoro ke karna ire bwa munyoro ko sina ete bwa munyoro ero munyene tema tinga so the funniest statement tinga ite ene kamba ke mete kasha kwa kirira sana kulo maskerera mtu tinga asira lakini okirira sana lakini yaje tena ene kamba lakini karota kuligiriri briefly abantu abanyako bakobara muno bono kwa Wanjiku umo jumbe okiamba eno murundi pikipiki olenge na kiango oyenere umo wanafunzi kose umo jumbe mutangani wa kiruchukura wetrase sprinter group ya Jubilee tangata kutanga ase ligatika shagwa lenge ese campaign na ande nifakiti saba abajumbe bonse biko saba MCA bonse ba wa Makeki abo bwa Bunyoro bonse bachorire Kata sabu wa munyoro ka karna ngesi campaign. Kike ko tabia bantu kuchisi ga. What was he communicating?
If I can go fast. Truth be told, abananchi abagochora electorates abagochora one of their own.
Yeah.
It is a mirror. Their leaders is a mirror of what the people want. Beyond the vinde into the service delivery. Times without number, it has been proven in PhDs or abantu basomete or abantu bakore biashara binene ekare into leadership eko very challenge. I'll monya bere aseng encho one of the characters bata leadership skills wa mnyoro omonyene. Actually he was mirroring himself because among the people abananchi ba ruet and inclusive owanzere tabi including conduct
as a deputy president.
As a deputy president, up to the level more cover sworn in a national celebration, era televised, far and wide, global stage. He could get the guts Jokorama outgoing president. After it beats logic even the Beyonce Pia Okwana, near the problem. Kawanjiku igajora tu engaki Jubilee ya tuare the issue ya Tangatanga ba go Senate. And I remember if he wasn't around, he supported the campaign ya. Kawanjiku igajora tu atara kole term ya one term member of parliament una wa Mnyoro. Kawanjiku na era agajere by election. He went ahead abananchi bakaralendo kole gasingi ya Kawanjiku akaritain.
For anything in fact.
For Wamunyoro, he cried Rojenga, Taigo Jorubo deputy president, Otabwa the capacity of a deputy president because all the qualities, including a Jawandra, Tawad. Abananja Bagumetinki, he went ahead Akabanga demon of Intobinde, Karatina, Akaburukania Bandorina, demanding, you know, a behavior when they go fit. It doesn't befit a candidate, Montoyo, Koruania Bandoband. It's quite unfortunate, but the truth is, abananchi baliago tebanga a president ye korama bononero answer. He doesn't listen to himself. Taiwa taka rebinde yao kwa advice ye konya koruanga president na bantu bago torama bantu mulimanga na bantu abaliri nera bono ojira korama bantu abaliri.
Electorate obaidenga bantu barata taiti bachichoru kwese kiama kia.
Electorate omwananchi wake kuralia will surprise you with the kind of vote ya waka. You may think ngoji ya waka amanya go surprise yako wa monto keto expected. Abantu bacholiru abo akoro kwa Matinga wa Munyoro wa Makeki. For simple reason, Nona malieta bako na banya coin in a way wa matangi. Banya coin in a way which fits mwananchi. Mwananchi na hata think yako. That's why hustler narrative was so suiting.
Never kuenda governor Mwangi wa Iria gaite one of the best performing governors.
Iria na mabere ge. Ona ke associate na mabere. Oyo wa matangi ole Kiambu nechitangi ala kwana. So if they are able to associate themselves ne bintu bakora ba change elieta.
Kawanjiko bagatabane singo mwana bwe singo.
Omwana bo mongela. So they have been able to survive. So igonkora amara abantu gete abare voters. I know go Chimotu gaiga. Politicians now will pick it up. But kumbe nayo gora amabara ibacho this way. You know, he's also communicating to the electorate singa. Mutagere monga bandaba. Bara bino nye community ge ko abantu. They are best.
And my new wa Matinga bana senator wa Matinga no hade set team yae.
Bona lendo bono kiro wa Matinga. I think this guy he has a problem.
Na nche commentera briefly wa Munyoro. Not only that he had the guts yoko tevi moraibe and say the outgoing president Uhuru Kenyatta about how dilapidated was the economy. In fact, even the problem started during the swearing in. He cannot even narrate whatever that was written. Baka karariaga speech kaya kando. So Rigathi Gachagua, I think Dennis. Rigathi Gachagua igacha. I think you want to get Rigathi Gachagua politically, yani just to maintain the name of the Gachagua's family. I think it's after the death of Nderitu Gachagua. But I think I was saying Gachagua wango chakoba aringe part of the political formation ya Nyeri. But I was saying achete ko bwatiri ria Gachagua.
Yeah,
ndugu ya kwa sababu was nowhere to be seen politically. And again, how comes that is the guy who is questioning mwananchi asokomoretera abarai balia bananchi banjite correct. When he tried to mention the list that he spoke about, Babo, Otienda Molo, Babo Jeffrey, I saw it's a team of lawyers, by the way. So does Wamunyoro, in his own thinking that you are not learned, Kerotali a lawyer? Because the list he only gave majority as lawyers. I think Babo Stewart Mazayo, Millie Odhiambo, Babo Wino, it contained lawyers. So if it means that he wants lawyers, and there are a lot of lawyers from the mountain. Lawyers from the mountain. So must you be a lawyer? And why do you question
the wisdom yaba nanchi?
The wisdom yaba nanchi. Kawanjiku nero renge the first product of Tangatanga. In one way, Keroki ambao mjumba asirete. In fact, wakareta Kawanjiku. Kawanjiku with the same akaenda elections mono complete 2022 Kawanjiku akaenda chikura. What is the problem?
So abandoma mwancherende.
So umuntu Rigathi Gachagua should be listening to himself such that
to call in the next 5 minutes a comment tugoro ya amangana ya strike ya ba lecturer o ya bere lecturer ya bere angeme nyebere anda tetoro igwe kwanza litangani inki omo waziri omoske chesmigo sogamba agokwana toma agokwana ngende free a minute or two to korde geikaro litukolia lero.
It is not true that the government has made a promissory note which they have not met so far as we speak today. And we've shown goodwill by virtue of the fact that we've paid those arrears consistently to ensure that we bring the unions and the funds up to date. Because again, issues of the CBAs that are paid in arrears bring financial challenges because of budgetary limitations. Because now we have not budgeted for that figure, we have to look for it. But if we negotiate early, we have the figures early, then we factor them into the budget forward looking. That's where we are. Governments operate on budgets. We factor the figures, the amounts that are due into the budget of the ministry.
Mwasiri migoso kamba katabanga omochando lengoro ninga ki chibate chabe tote budget correct ku bargaining agreement yo konyoretu ni gwachire wetan bilioni isar raibere chire kishara chikotaba chi serikali bwata serikali yatabirenge bae nusu litike konya koligenjire konyora chichinde tonde nataka briefly to chake na some way forward ne riega gose inkyo nyaka ba comment generally igoro mugiro yo ganyari ko kwenda no nakoyalide neta SMS tayalide in fact.
Bueno, again, actually, you see the government nebuente korengera linga ngakie konya bana babasaya. We cannot be telling people again to gesumbuita abasaya bange na mario yo tindia. and then bandambali school. You see, it becomes a devil.
Devil's
workshop.
Yeah, already one of the rate of Amaligo and other things that are immoral in a way, one of your mental because people maybe are not going to school. So again, don't at some point, a argument if it was an agreement that the government had an agreement with the lecturers, because if you agree on something, please make the end of the bargain and let them have a consensus. Let them have a robust consensus. What is the if they are going to give in faces. I think again to faces lecturers maybe the government doesn't honor the pledges. So the government only again don't get so make sure at least this strike you see the calendar now is affected in one way.
Semester
and yeah.
Dennis.
I want to blame squarely the comrades. Either they are enjoying this thing or they don't understand what is happening. At this level, comrade jara soka no 1 week. Chitene ni keregento business. Keregento keba at standstill. The government will pay. The government doesn't listen to people just in a normal way. We ka pressure beku and the pressure kobekwa edemo ekobekwa chidemo chikobekwa ekorunga civil disobedience. Paso okay in the streets, bajo ini their lecturers. Within 2-3 days, the government take a message. However, what happened with the student leadership, but something somewhere could not be working out. And it's high time the likes of Babu Win and other people, universal suffrage, chikura jiriba work and a delegate system. Tuatuare comrade ya gochorwa ne chikura mulolongo bo lichionsi chi wakwe debe montoja with numbers. So numbers one jire suppressed. These guys in also in the streets. Some of them have been compromised and that is quite unfortunate. I want to believe the motivation behind the strike Kogandera, it is the government spendthrift. They have a lot of resources back west elsewhere when a critical function or activity goes infrastructure lecturers work on they are seeing people are in campaign mood. They are in 2027 campaign. Chiba has a 7.9 billion. The president here the has a project worth 21 billion Kakamega. Or work and I go say Mabeyote over and I go say 15 billion when 7.9 in Chico talk. It is so frustrating. I think in the next few days Nabakonya Oromo Waziri Ogambaga you must go because he is the easiest now to target. A punching bag. It is high time. It smells coffee. Gosato musiko.
Mwanjo muligereri
Ligereri itoyomo Administrator Victor Makana Otabirenga is impressed with the show and Otabirenga no more nage karale. He's always following us.
Mataiva na attend reception ya ne tamo sia mama singa bwe tamo si.
Ma tiko sana lecturer na bora nyoka arrest strike.
Mwanjo muligereri okonyere tunelinga mangana tonya goto kusanga igase gikaro ange na yaito indubene buna barali na batatu mata masema negetaseni kiegetembe kurinde na mbale bagijwa tabanga kara bantu bakwandire babire batutoiga onye bakogechi niko kubage okubabira onye bakogokia niko kuriga chinjiro cyo bayuriga nani gatunguru mubabeke munu ndirinde tonyara ko batokogenda buna tokorensa mega eyege karuma murigereri kwera nande chinsa nyigoro nekionga chinsa inye kuba chinsa engana yo mwere na iritu akorera na twakorera abwa mangana e university ko no gusabwa ito twense ntubwatabana abairi abamate bali university tubwata lecturer abairi bali lecturer nabo iko no na ibantu bichi amate chito twense tokaninga amasomo nyaka bakweranirwa ase chi university chito ncheni ngoro kwaro ne toto onyangiri tomera nchinsa nyigoro ase kionga chinsenye.
eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubwatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyokorose chirangi mense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biria bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ya nyumba chire chikomentra nibwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekari guri iriya bantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani wochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na wokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero elibwe nyorere abamanyi nabwigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumuchuyigo musongo eyuerange neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Kipi kinachokusababisha ukose imani na mimi?
Hivyo vitendo vyako.
Kwa hiyo ndio maana umeamua kunificha kama mkeo anaumwa.
Unasemaje? Nilichokuambia nimemaanisha.
Mimi ninachotaka ni kupona kwa mdogo wangu na si vinginevyo. Kwa hiyo shemeji, tekeleza ulichoambiwa.
Shemeji, yaani mimi kuongeza mke wa pili ndio tiba ili mke wangu aweze kupona. Sasa hii ni dawa au ni masharti? Mimi sikutaki kukuoa wewe kwa sababu ya kufanya mapenzi. Lengo la mimi kukuoa wewe ili kumponya mke wangu ambaye ni mgonjwa.
Una uhakika ukinioa mke wako atapona? Na asipopona je?
Kuri chinsa ni nyane kene kiunga chinsa nyasenchira ayobo ikiranu cheni ngongoro kwaru ni ototo onya ingire kurasa nzame mayelio ni goto bwada na Wilson Makoli na ni goto kuchaka mase kurasa chinsa mochi abotori ekejor ki abotori bungo se ward ya kitutu central bunge ya kitutu cha South County ya Kisii ase omobire humo sayo yomo otoka oyu kagere kaba omoibi bwechipigepige ko bwata chingo machitinde munago tumanye muri kito Daniel Ontere.
Nyagosira Advin Ongaki umosae bimeka yigatwa kuro motonto ime abobasi hasi county ya Kisii kulinda oromo menyi we county ya Homa Bay nigegotebekana hasogete kuro inkamwaye abo litukuri igoro natachi tukoirena wikabuno moberoye otoka sensemeye na nigolinge ne chingoma chintindi aso mutwe na aso mubere na mbarabare nere ne chintu okora chamagina Ibogo chikagire kutumika haso boitibwaye
wano maitena ikire saa 11 nkorangirigwa na ngakio beiro gosira amana muna na ikire gaiga nabona nyorira ari para irinda asirete akururiri okora ni megia betire okorora na miyende bamubitete emioyo neyende bakamwaka somoto
ase nkwana y'abamatebae nigo baichanigwa n'enchera omosa oyiga haitwa n'epigipigi ekagere kwibwa titugeti ase nsemeyo bateba ekiga n'egeswahili kyogokora obogima bw'omosa oyo
bamwitire lakini serikali tigakora uchunguzi korona ise kiagera noyo nabangi nambali barenge botuko batagete gukana tia goita omwana oyo mwana ona abwate kende moko moitera kiagera batete ne pigipigi ne pigipigi ebite korwe town iga ne kagenda gachigotoka mu mapei mate ngaki epigipigi eyetari sa kwerete iga yari kuoroki ne pigipigi eiteretu
asense mwende niko bagikiria egekoreke na baburia abobisa bobotuki bobosalia DCI okonya asobotuki bwabwango asekelibuna barabwo mbale nobole muboisaine nembwa yomosa oyo tiyarenge yogo karakalia no gutwara okoboko gotambe
ono jene nabere no gogumya mwana otari mukabara mwana okana amenyete ngocarika aindoira na asamenyete bomabe ono nje na ichanire gento kiabeire kente kebemono amamo mwabataria chindu kuchiane na gitore gaigama na gwa bangina rume nabamura bamwabombaro
onyendiri omwana oyaro mukabara kango nyona bagambi boka maitenga no mukabara na ndetanya ku report no gise kende aireru nyo polisi amega na akinga no mukabara igobona aso maene omwana otia ko ntuki obo maene bwa itia bonyorekane tumanye ngaki abayete ko moleta kurwa mapei bagaja kumoita mbarabi
mubero nyagosira ni gorosi gwa sensemeyo nabo bisa begetaseni Kenya nchwa wika senkendo egekore bono giatiga bange na mabolio nkuribo teregetaseni kyagetembe kurega se wodi ya Kitutu Central imiye bonge ya Kitutu cha South imiye county ya Kisii litrene nguruko Daniel untiri
na mwancho muligereri chingaki abana bagenda tano motimoko omotambe bwerusa ya tamu ya gatatu nigo okubori kwa rure abaiboli banyaka bakwana kia munangoro totabale abana babo iriko byanyara kwa bakore bakubarenda kurwase amakwa aho chingaki chiga cyo motimoko boigo nigo abanya gote nigo kubori kwa rure abamenyi ba chinsemo chietago kurwase buga ya South Mugirango banyaga bakorenda obogima bogo so bakwane kyo borendi bwabo barabo banyane mono chingaki cyabo tukobona ko tumwe muri kito Gilbert Kobe
Baibuli basabirwe kurenda abana babo chingaki bashire ase umutimoko umutambe o December goika omwaka muya ase chingongo au chiagusi kurwa sensemo ye tago South Mugirango nigo abarayi nabo igo bateneri ntenenera banyako bakweguri bagali ugo chikolenta na komenta oburendi obwo
kurenda abana ase ngerengia barachira se wike murakimye karugo taraga nabakorango muchando nora saba ibori umuchando nora saba ibori emeremo y'ubwibori tibaye manyatia tuwana nanga bona ntubwa temichando nabana n'umwibori tokubori ngayo mwana bakoreteki ngayare so abayibori totekere responsibility torenda abana baitu
barayi batenase umuyega bwa matangole gasensemo yetago South Mugirango nigo batebire buna okomenta ku burendi gucunyira ko bagokonya umurembe ko bawo
kiyahere oboyu bwabere kera rituko chinyomba chiko burwane bintu by'abantu bikogenda kera rituko ibinde biko report ibinde biko report wa igonwe bukabara bwabere n'abakora igo n'abana bangu n'abana baitu
igo bari batnyara ko bakurwa obosemya bwabo bate muno komentakana kubuke babo nabo igo bo ibya sensemo ya South Mugirango ensemo ye tanga gucunyira ko bago gotimukigwa gwetera na komenta ku burendi ya sarongorwa
irusotore ne irusubete meyege menge na tubokera igo tutachage tubono tuzo December tokonyara kubeka abantu abanye no murembe igo nare ngotangaza ni marufuku na Tanzania tangasete ni marufuku omuntu gutoko gutarapara kisa isato atapatisa abantu asema na education igo security team community policing abatuleti bakuru tutapangana kera abantu baite patroni karukiabo asemera nabo kona tochiamo tarasinze abantu tomo batarasoro bongo onyo tokorosi
semunayo abandi batena nigo banyara ko bakumwakira ikuko Fredo Kengo matanyanya ko bagaguchikoba umurayi gwense 2027 aso komenta ibireryo kumubwate siago kinia okoba ugwekero gekyo
mangana yegente kekende moroje muna Tanzania mukire
moroje mune mogete nantari machia sare aki omwana na boko iboro omwana mwamuchaya twa mwanga munaba gusi lakini omoheri oye nyasaye umubwata obo omuntu igo omwana okurukunga Okengo Matiang'i nera naregeti
nara yarenge kurwa sensa munyasoto mugirango e county ya Kisingo riboteregetemba malietane nche Gilbert Kobi
na mwancho muligereri babwatani bekiama gya Jubilee korwa ase bunge nyaribali masaba litugulia lero nibanyaka bagwa stoke na kokera gitambugiri kiama gya Jubilee komwa okoboko omusike omusomo wasire mukuru musike Dr. Fred Matiang'i igyo koba omukonyi wa murai we kiama ekyo nabo igoko chikurwanira ekerogo kyoburai bwense goterase kiama ekyo nibanyaka bakubolia omugusi bwensi konyargo chamo na goswase kiama ekyo gya Jubilee munenjerere nyaroro yogosira eganga yaye Dr. Fred Matiang'i na boigo omosike omwasire mukoro omosike sekiro mbaki machogu asekero kyo bagavana we county ya Kisii asobashali bo mwaka wa 2025 nebere
twanchiranire nande togwakambia mono leaders va Jubilee Party from national batochorerete omwana oito Okengo Matiang'i abe presidential candidate etoko bagera mbia mono nande mbia mono na musesedi twagambire amange asomokutano twabwate na twatebire intukoru nyali bali masaba twamwire tobe nyuma ya Dr. Okengo Matiang'i achari tatake iria ichanga tigera aligi chikura isiko intuntole tayale komoliga lichikura nande ntotage tikende chikure togoja komwachi onsi iria kabere as the chapter ya Nyaribari Masaba omogabana oite Dr. Ezekiel Machogu Ombaki nero omogabana oito nere tokora chikura chiobogabana bwa 2027
igo twachira igane ngana ya moyoka rero igo twigwananire iga litangani igo tokora atebi party ya Jubilee ejo twarereire gocha baka ya ikirega rero mbiya mono sana aso kwegena omwana oito bweriroba okoroko Matiang'i na wancha komoa a ticket yobo president Fred Okengo Matiang'i igare tribeless oyo no mo Kenya tabwate kabirende digereria abajenzi bako mo support bamanyetie kabiri abagusi ndori ko bolinga ngai Fred yare oyo no oyo ito nere to gwakere kura kiri cheito njiringa nechi nyinge arete nere ko rusiko asabege iseri ngo isarachire kogamba tole omosike Machogu o teneino bo governor wa Kisii County e party ya Jubilee igo toko mo support 100% kune party
temine tinga bande mbago cha bangu ngane na into bali batagete nomination karibu tole tayari moche bune party ya Jubilee nere tayari kwa nominations onya ko iweta nore chinguru sukago cha aiga the nominations will be free and fair. So kamora abe bali bande ntora ate abanga igo moja inchu mwensi pi ekiagara gusi ngwegwe takabaro jubilated it is going to be red. So we are welcoming everybody into no mogusi ekura ite sto waka in Jubilee korugoro bakanse mwensi pi mocha motwaga che chama egara to supimano ito Fred Okengo Matiang'i gendo geko moni talintwe nemiremo yaye komonia korwa baikoyo ochichinse ya mochios baroche gasi ayako negasi inere komo
na mwancho mo rigereria sensemende nigo abaremi bekemerie chae baraje gochaga konyora oboyo samatukale mutwe maiga iyo boyo bugoika ase ensemo ya Mombasa hari tukore chuma ase abaremi baraje konyara koba ekosemeroberia nya koba kobekwa abaremi bacha konyara ka oboyo bwegete nigo bole nigo bole chitani chiribu emeronge 3 na bonde chigwetanje chitani chiribu emeronge 3 nigo bole chira kurwa sense ya China. Mwancho muligere liko ikirabo na arona kwaringaria seke unga chinsa inye ema goroba ya lero kolende ningo gotiga asense melia kabire na omobulero morobolio koletwa nere Lucas Mogaka uyu konyara baga kurigereria amange alinza chinde tore konyara bato kurigerera na kuirigereria asensemo iyeche egosori na boigo ase ebingese nebitangise biri konyara bego kolekana mono kura asensemo ya siasa nchini ngoro kwaro ni toto nyangiri kuranza mwimenyerio nigoto watera na Wilson Amakoli na boyo kuranza me transmission nigakorwa Mike Willis gendo toro boligo buyeme Gatembe TV kongeke mu musi boigo otware emagoroba engiye gose obotukobya.
Imebulere yo. Jenisi baikiri ko Tanzania kurobekana. Umobisa ni ntumo bulera tosoe. Twenda kwetu. Twenda harali. Abo Tanzania tokolenga ki. Sawa, tuyirendere bono. Indo chukura gusiye tenti ya mwinoga iga osuru nwari awakili yogi. Osuru ninki?
Maneno ni mingi.
Na masaa?
Lakini masaa saa zingine ndio huwa machache.
Osuru kwa na iguru ya Kenya ikero twatabiru nga tuyirane kwitu.
Hii Kenya iko na maneno mingi sana. Na muniruhusu 1 minute niseme maneno moja.
Gani?
Wakati mheshimiwa Mwai Kibaki alichukua hata baada ya kusapotiwa Kenya mzima watu wakanyamaza ni kama ni malaika.
Na maino musikiki Kibaki tunataka fujo.
Ikiwa unataka fujo ndio tokea, tunataka kukuona.
Aye, nebo nayo noreme.
Wakati mheshimiwa Uhuru Kenyatta alichukua uongozi hata wakati alikuwa anaamka saa 7 na machoreni watu walinyamaza tu ni kama iko sawa tu hakuna shida.
Umusikiki Kenyatta na maine.
For many a day my heart is down, my head is turning around. I had to leave a little girl in Kingston town.
Na maine ngikuwa kusoka. Amoiso kabalireti.
Tukiwa tulia kidogo hapo nini tunapewa kakitu kidogo hapo.
Nali Moisa kubaliti.
Munacheka mimi kakitu kidogo nasema uji na chai.
Usuru, what about Muskiruto?
Wakati mheshimiwa William Ruto amechukua namna hii kelele sasa imetokea tena pa.
Ayu musikika shagwa. Inki na ipo nukunya kugera kule tenti ya Mwina.
Wale viongozi wote wanavuata Ruto. Wanasaliti jamii ya Mlima Kenya. Tukituma Ruto nyumbani mtatangulia.
Usuru kuigule. Home.
Ala?
Ruto kuigule mangana ya budi. Ninka.
Nataka niwaulize nyinyi watu wa hapa Malava. Yaani mkiniona mimi hivi. Ati wale watu tunashindana na watu ni wale.
Duchu musikimo tiangi uimuki yoko bokuru enseme ya Mwina.
Tusaidia nini? Sisi sote tuko na shida.
Shida ki?
Sisi tunatafuta namna ya kutafuta suluhisho so that our country can be managed better.
Shida ki umuski? Njenkuruli bagaga. Tingukuana kukuana.
Yaani mtu ningeshingana na yeye ni Raila Odinga. Lakini sasa hawa nitawamalizia asubuhi na mapema.
Kibono na ye umuski urumwe Kenyatta kabisa. Ngiye kuna ugosikisikia. Kuana bono. Karabu hata likondili.
Raila alipenda amani.
Igia kabiri.
Raila alifurahia akiona Wakenya wakiungana, wakishirikiana, wakijenga taifa lao pamoja.
Chogui, sawa bunu musiki tuyugure. Kabisa, ndio musiki kipa kali kurusa jigo tukurumuno gaika. Musiki pa njumora. Kei, etentiye tutuliye etikrise tulubia.
Let's take the next step. This nonsense you're bringing to this country.
Okuru meeting ukumana.
Who are you? You think you can intimidate us? We will.
No, ndanigo. Usinjinda, nchebusia.
To the speaker, this gentleman.
Around here to what in meeting yepi.
I will be this because of conflict.
Naguikira nongo kero musmaringa. Umuru muvule na chiruka smoka na chire.
Hold on.
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubwatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo wakwa imeye nyumba isiko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekali guri iriya bantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye wochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na wokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora wikirano tutarire rero eliwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera ase chinamba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Welcome to Timiza School, where excellence is nurtured and dreams come alive. Located along Kisii-Keroka Highway at Nyosia 1, Timiza School is now admitting learners for 2026 from playgroup to grade 9. At Timiza, your child is taught by TSC-certified teachers expertly trained in the CBC curriculum, ensuring they excel holistically. We go beyond the basics by offering French and Kenyan Sign Language, preparing learners to thrive in a globalized world. Our modern facilities are designed for comfort and excellence. Spacious, well-equipped classrooms, comfortable and secure boarding facilities, modern and clean washrooms, clean and safe water for drinking. We inspire innovation and curiosity through the state-of-the-art science and computer labs. At Timiza, talents are nurtured through a variety of co-curricular activities, including football, basketball, swimming, chess, scouts, and inspiring music programs. With adequate training equipment, our reliable and affordable transport system ensures your child's safety and convenience. Don't miss out. Interviews and admissions for 2026 are ongoing at Timiza School from playgroup to grade 9. Secure your child's place in a school where excellence and opportunity come together. Call us on today 0726 882397 or 0729 658659 for more information or to book an interview. Timiza School. Discover your best.
Ine kwabeire gukorera asenga kintambe guse nigo kwarwalire na gusalia indibo enyinge aha bono tokwa omoyo inyagitali ya Walfit Health Centers nero lichibuliao nyuranga nonyorobu wenia bwa maruire amange abuna amaruire yesukali amaruire yenda amaruire yomogongo na yande amange.
We call your prostate. No borwere bwasumbuira abagaka sana bwe sukari, what you call the genesis of diabetes. Ngaki borwere bwe sukari bo somo bero goime. Hypertension no borwere kramanyinga kogende bure somo bero. Walfit itosomete chinchereza tojokorwa ya marwaire. Enchere ntangani itosomete ngende nga conventional medicine. Yani unyagitali obwa kawaida. Itosomete ngende nga nutritional medicine. Nutritional medicine na marioga aliakuruese endagera ya ito ya kawaida. Kwa mfano, we have amino acids, ntubwate fatty acids, ntubwate vitamins na kadhalika. Bigo tumeka eso kurwari ya marwaire. Nchilende ya gata tosomerete neka tukutumia international herbal medicine. Tukutumia marioga akuruese mete tuarwari ya marwaire. Igao muchito bosongo monene ntobwate clinic yeito ase nyumba ya Uhuru Plaza. Uhuru Plaza noerega iga marikiti gaiso wako ninyama kwali na iguru wacho wake goroba ya gatatu erumu 307A. Ntobwate branch mu Eldoret ase nyumba ya Kogo Plaza first floor room 2.
Walfit Health Centers umusaniobo asamarwaire minyoka.
And strikes. Oh no, he's missed! Oh no,
It's cashback, guys.
Lose one game on your multi